2016 Porsche Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, trip computer, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console. Your new ride is just a phone call away.